Hey everyone, it's been a while since I made a video, but something really awesome came in the mail today. So we're gonna go ahead and get this unboxed. You can probably already tell what it is from some of the logos on there. But yeah, I'm gonna switch the camera right now and we're gonna open up this. Got the SteamDeck in the mail. So I'm really excited to check this out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Alright, so I have the box upside down. We're gonna go ahead and break the seal. Oh, knife went the wrong way. There we go. Put that away. There we go. So looks like this just shows you how to charge it up. So I'll move that out of the way. This is the 512 gigabyte model, so it does come with some extra stuff as well. So this has a seal on it. Let's get that off. So yeah, this is just the charger. It's USB-C. Looks like it's like 5 volts, 3 amps, so fast charger for most phones. Looks like it would work on this too. So health and safety, maintenance. Looked like there's something else, or it's just this. Oh, that's just a cardboard thing. Alright, here is the case that comes with the 512 gigabyte model. That also has the SteamDeck inside. So it looks like, there we go. So it says, your games are going places, which is definitely true. I'm gonna load up my Steam library. That case looks really nice, actually. Looks like I was supposed to tear it off with a little pull tab, but didn't do that. Yeah, so it has the Valve logo on this, which keeps the zippers from opening. I guess that's anti-tampering with it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pair of scissors to snip that so I can get into it. Alright. So yeah, this just keeps the zippers from opening, I guess. That way you know no one was in it. So there we go. And the lock thing is still there, so if you have a tiny lock, you could lock it in the case if you really wanted to. Wow, that thing looks awesome. There's a little... Wow. Wow, I actually really like the triggers. Those feel really nice. Man. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing charged up and we'll power it on. It's a really big display too. But, oh, there's some more stuff in the box. What is this? I think that's just a cleaning mat. It's a really nice case. It's hard. Definitely going to keep it protected. And I also, over here, got this a while ago. It's the D brand tempered glass, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up actually using that because this has the anti-glare etching. So you can see it's not really as reflective as normal glass. If I hold up something, oh whoops, tilted the camera. If I hold up something like a phone, it's a lot more reflective. This one isn't. You can see the difference with the lights, but I think that if I added tempered glass to that, I might get rid of that. So I probably won't add that, but I'm gonna go ahead and charge this thing up. Alright, so I plugged it in and it made a little bit of noise, so I'm gonna hit the power button now. Made a little noise. I don't know if it popped up on here, but here, I don't know if you'll hear it. Oh, something flashed on the screen. Let's see. There we go. I guess I was just supposed to tap it. I'm so used to like when you unbox a phone and you hold the power button, but I guess this one you just tap it after plugging it in. Alright, so a few seconds later it ended up turning on. So Steam button opens the Steam menu. But yeah, I'm gonna hit English, my time zone. I'm gonna blur out the Wi-Fi networks, but I'm gonna go through the setup process really quick. And I'll probably just speed this up. Alright, so now it wants me to sign in, so I'm gonna sign in really quick, and I will be back after I sign into my Steam account. Alright, so I am now at the start screen. It says press any button or tap the screen to continue. Alright, quick access. Press and hold. Okay, I don't want to do that. I see it. Okay, volume buttons at the top. Micro SD card slot at the bottom so you can expand this. Which is really nice because I could put like a 0.5 terabyte card or like a 512 gigabyte into the Steam Deck, and then I would have a terabyte of storage on it, which would be really awesome for games. Alright. So let's go ahead and download some stuff and see how it runs. Alright guys, so while the games that I have are downloading, this is the exclusive keyboard theme for the 512 gigabyte model. You can change it through a bunch of different keyboard options. But yeah, I'll be back once my games are downloaded. I'm currently downloading Portal 2, as you can see like up there. But yeah, I'll be back in just a bit. Alright guys, so as you can see here, everything runs smoothly. This is Portal 2 on it. I haven't noticed any issues with lag on it. But another thing that I'm going to show you guys is if you hit the options button on the side, you can put an overlay and you can see your FPS, or you can keep scaling up it to see like more system resources and all that while you're in game, which is really useful. So I'm also going to show a couple other games. I have GTA on here, and I also have an extra feature that I figured out later on that I'm going to show at the end of this video. So I'm going to switch to GTA real quick and show you guys how that runs on this. Alright, so here's GTA. You can see in the top right corner we're getting around 60 FPS, which is really good, especially considering this is a handheld PC. I think the lowest I've seen it really go was maybe 53 FPS. It usually stays around a solid 60, so it plays just about how you'd expect with like a controller. But yeah, I haven't noticed any issues, and honestly, I think it looks great on the Steam Deck. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the last thing that I set up. So I'm gonna switch over. I'm gonna close out my game real quick. And to do that, I'm gonna show you one extra feature. You can switch to a Linux desktop. Okay, so it's booted up as a Linux desktop. You move the mouse with the little trackpad on the right. And what I did was I downloaded a special program that allows you to use PlayStation Remote Play. So I have it all configured so it works in just regular mode, so I'm going to switch back. But you have a full Linux desktop. I wanted to show you guys that real quick, but let's wait for it to boot back into regular handheld mode. Okay, so this is just a regular Linux app image. But as you can see, once it loads up, I can connect to my PS5 wirelessly, and I can load up my games on that. And if I set up port forwarding, I could even play them on the road. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want my IP to be public like that. But once I load into the game here, I'll show you. The only issue I've noticed with this Remote Play app, and this isn't really necessarily an issue with the Steam Deck, it's probably more of a streaming issue, but also an issue with the app. But it has some minor audio glitches. I'll turn it up a little bit. And graphical glitches, but it doesn't play bad. It's fairly responsive. As you can see, it flashed white there. It has some graphical glitches, but I think that's just more of a streaming issue with latency. As you can see, it doesn't do this in other games. Like if you have the PC version of Elden Ring on this, it won't do that at all. But I just thought it's a neat little feature because you can play your PlayStation on the Steam Deck, which I think is really cool. So it's really just an all-in-one device. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my short little review of the Steam Deck. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Love to hear from you. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.